Okay, quest off west. Go try those dots. Okay. What's wrong with the green one? Now for the red. Now for the blue. Yellow. And the one. Good. Now let's back up the levels. Yep. And yep. And now to try the new Easter candies. Close the watermelon. Green. Now for the newest marshmallow pieces. And these are for Play-Doh for Soul. Okay. And this is Valiant. Okay. And now for these small heads, these silly bunnies. And now sour apple, green apple.
If I get knocked out, someone else has a backup of it. Yeah. So we'll go ahead and set that up so that next time we have that opportunity and that power to do it. Yeah, because I don't want to keep bothering Leslie or Diana about it because they're busy doing their thing. So, you know. Yeah. Sure. Hi, May. Hello, how are you doing?
Watermelon.
I'm good, how are you? Your name is Jessica, right? My name is Jessica. Oh, my name's Hannah, by the way. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Jessica. I work at Del Taco. Oh, nice.
There's only blueberry. Blueberry left.
Tacos, yummy. Alright, should we get started then?
Now for the Sour Patch Bunny.
Laura, can you listen to me, please? Are you listening to me? Yes, I am. Do you have your ears on? I hear that. Okay, I need you to mute yourself before we start the movie, okay? Yeah, just press it.
Now for the Oreo.
And I wanted to learn.
And now for the fish.
Talk like that. That's what I knew. I was the right play. God knows what I mean.
And now for this.
I'm 12. I'll be right back. Practice your scales. Sorry to interrupt, Mr.
And now for this. Fruity Pebbles Bunny. And this is our last one. Yep. And sorry that show is on. But Hevel's doing a Zoom with the movies so right now.
This is the kid I was telling you about. My old middle school band teacher, Mr. Garvin, called me Joe. Dorothea, Miss Williams. It's a pleasure. Wow, this is amazing. Joe is Ray Gardner's son. So, we're down to middle school band teachers now. Get on up here, teacher. We ain't